Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get a job offer for free to enable you apply for permanent residence using the Rural Community Immigration Pilot Program that was recently launched. You don't need to pay anybody any money to help you get a job offer. If you watch this video till the end, you can literally do this by yourself for free. So you will come to this website. I'm going to be dropping the link in the description and in the comment section below, and then you click here to see all the communities that are participating in this pilot program. Once you come here and you've seen the communities, you select one of them and it will take you straight to the website of this community, so you see if they've started hiring or not. So for an example, we're going to be using Sudbury in Ontario, so we'll click Sudbury, and when we click Sudbury, we're going to click continue to take us to Sudbury's website. Meanwhile, read what they wrote here, that you need to get a community recommendation. So once you have gotten a valid job offer from a designated employer, they will send your community recommendation application directly to the community to review. Once this is done and you're being approved, then you can go ahead and apply for permanent residence. So take note of this. It doesn't just end with getting a job offer, so that you know, okay? Then, like I said before, when you click on Sudbury, you click continue and it will take you to the website of Sudbury. Good. Now we're on the Sudbury's website to tell you welcome, to tell you bienvenue. I don't know the other language. Well, it's basically telling you welcome and giving you a brief overview about the community where you want to settle down in. Basically, everything you need to know about it, an overview. Okay. And then you see here you have a place for employer and you have a place for candidate. So in this case, you're the candidate who is looking to get a job, and these are the places where they say you can get a job offer: LinkedIn or directly from the City of Greater Sudbury's website. So that's what we're going to be doing. Now when you click here, it's going to bring you straight up to this page as well. When you come to this page as a candidate, you will see that this particular community have not started taking people. So they said that know that at this time we're unable to provide you with the estimated time to start taking people. So just an example for you to see that they have not started taking. You need to be diligent. You need to be looking out for all of this. So you keep coming back to the website, okay, to check for any community that have updated the list or that have started taking. So since these people have not started taking, what are we going to do? We need to go back to that IRCC website and check another community. That's just the basic thing you need to do. This time around, let's try with another community. Let's use Sault Ste. Marie, for instance. Once we click on it, it will also take us to their website. And then once we get to their website, once we get to their website, you also read about it. Same thing, welcome, bienvenue. It tells you a little bit about the community, the population they have. You just read more about it. They also let you know that they're also participating in this Rural Community Immigration Pilot Program. Okay, you just come here and see that this particular community has also stated their priority sectors. This is where they have shortage of labor and they need more people there. But there's an important update you're seeing on this website. They say they've stopped taking, they've reached the cap for the dine-in restaurant and will not be able to designate any requests submitted after May 8th. So when you're coming to a website like this, please always check. Something that was there last week might not be there this week. The fact that your friend or sister applied last week does not mean you can apply this week. So when you're applying here, please don't apply for anything that has to do with dining restaurant, because they've reached the cap. They've gotten the number of people that they need. So this is basically what you need to do. Whenever you come to the website, read, be sure that there is no shocking updates, something that will throw you off balance. Okay, and that's it. When you get to this page, you will see the eligibility criteria, because we are the employees, right? You read everything you need to see about the employees. All the things they are telling you is basically what is also on IRCC website, eligibility criteria, but it's also for a recap for you to see exactly what this particular community wants: your work experience, your language test, your job offer, the knock, and everything you need to know about this job. Take your time, read through it, And once you're sure that you qualify, then you can apply. It also has criteria for international students. It also has what you need to know about your language requirement, whether you're doing French, English, whatever. Once you've read all of this, don't skip anything. Come to this place, designated employers. This is where you will now see the list of employers that have been designated. Designated means they are the ones that have been approved by this community to employ people for the purpose of permanent residence. These are the lists, guys. Just go and Google each of them one by one. Go to their websites and see the job openings that they have and apply if it falls within one of those categories that are in demand. Or you click here. You see, once you see click careers, it's going to show you the careers, like all the job offers that are available in this particular community as well. When you see any job, click on it to give you the details, the requirements. Please read through the job posting and see that the job being advertised is one of the occupations that is in demand, and the company advertising it is also one of those listed as designated employer. Then you go ahead and apply. Don't be worried. Don't feel, oh, I'm outside Canada, it's going to be hard to get a job. You never know if you do not try. So I always encourage people to try. You don't have to pay to try. There is no harm in trial. Don't just conclude that, oh, it's hard to get a job offer from outside Canada. I'm not disputing that, but I'm also telling that there is no harm in trial. And when you least expect it, you will get it. And for those who are also in Canada, either they came as students or workers and you don't have a clear PR pathway, your work permit is getting expired. If you know you also have an experience in any of these jobs that are in demand, you also go ahead and apply. I hope you found this very helpful. See you in my next video.